just give you an update on the whole situation with the studio and what's going on. This is nearly a week now that I've had it, a week tomorrow. It's starting to come together. Didn't realise it was going to take this long, in all honesty, to set up, but I'm going to stay now, Sunday. I'm staying now to get it all set up so that from next week I can just start making and get like stuck into what the things that I want to do and the plans that I've made for this year can actually start happening. But in terms of the whole table situation, I know I said the other day that I always try to find a second-hand table, but me being me and being a little bit impatient and just wanting to rare to go, just decided that I kept looking and there was just nothing on there and nobody was coming back to me, and I just thought, oh, just get what you need. So yeah, guess what? Yes, I went to IKEA and got what I needed. So I've got 2 extra tables, which are just perfect because now I've got enough in here to kind of put all my, have something to put somewhere, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm really happy. Come down today, Sunday, to get everything set up, get everything where I want it to be, so that I can start from tomorrow onwards with all the plans that I want to do for this year. Like, before I got this studio, I put like a set out the next 6 months of what I really want to achieve. So I want to kind of get started and get stuck in. Plus I've got my launch for Valentine's Day coming up on the 25th of January. Yes, January. Which is what? Oh my gosh. It's like, yes, it's about a week and a half away, the launch, and I've literally made nothing. So a little bit stressed, but it's fine. I will manage to do it. I've got plans of what I'm making, so just got to actually make it, which is what I'm going to do next week. So yeah, that's the plan. That's why I want to stay and get everything set up so that I'm really happy with it and I can just start next week working on my Valentine's Day collection, because I need to get that done. Plus I've got a market coming up at the end of this month, so there's some other things that I want to create for that market as well, because it's like an eco-sustainable market, and because I recycle wastage in my pieces, I want to try and make some more, because I have got a few at the moment, but I'm going to try and make some things for, especially for that market. And normally when I've done markets before, no waste collection that I call it, usually does quite well. People seem to love it. So yeah, I really want to kind of make some more stuff. So yes, that is on 2 weeks. 2 weeks I've got for that market. 27th the market is, and I'm launching on the 25th. Yes, pretty tight. I will keep you updated on how we get on with that. But anyway, that's the update for now. I'm gonna show you some more footage of me like setting up the studio.